Hello, kids! Welcome to our ABCD learning adventure. Let's learn the alphabet from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go! A for apple. Apple is red and sweet. B for ball. A ball is fun to play with. C for cat. The cat says meow, meow. D for dog. Dogs are our best friends. E for elephant. The elephant is big and strong. F for fish. Fish swim in the water. G for giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. H for house. A house is where we live. I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and tasty. J for jelly. Jelly is soft and wobbly. K for kite. A kite flies high in the sky. L for lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. M for monkey. Monkeys love to jump and play. N for nest. Birds build their nest in trees. O for orange. Orange is juicy and full of vitamin C. P for parrot. Parrots can talk and whistle. Q for queen. A queen wears a shiny crown. R for rabbit. Rabbits love to eat carrots. S for sun. The sun gives us light and warmth. T for tiger. The tiger has stripes and is very strong. U for umbrella. We use an umbrella when it rains. V for van. A van carries many people. W for watermelon. Watermelon is sweet and refreshing. X for xylophone. A xylophone makes beautiful music. Y for yak. Yaks have long, shaggy hair. Z for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Great job, kids! You learned all the letters from A to Z. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next fun learning video. Bye-bye!